Here's a certified 2017 Cadillac CT6 sedan. A revolution in power, refinement, agility, and innovation for an unmatched driving experience. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, twin-turbo V6 engine, all-wheel steering, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, multi-zone climate control, four-wheel drive, automatic park assist 2, and automatic transmission. Car and Drive refuses, the CT6 is best appreciated in the real world, preferably in motion, whether it be catching the reflections of skyscrapers or charging along a challenging mountain road. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.